Hello my friends, best greetings from Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. Do you love Japan? So this video will be especially for you. Do you enjoy Japan? So this will be video especially for you. Do you live in Japan? So this video will be also especially for you. And why? Because I'm here near the city of Kiev, the capital of Ukraine, in a countryside house. And by the way, you can recognize that here so many flowers, lovely flowers everywhere here in the garden. So it looks like in Japan, where people like to plant and grow different nice flowers. And in this place, I do like to read the special verse about Japan. Yes, that's why I'm here near the flowers. And this verse I called Ode to Japan, because this verse is about Japan. Ode to Japan. Where is this country? It's too far away, behind the horizon. It's amazing, awesome, historical Japan. It's growing, developing, building. Homemade in Japan became the mark of a high quality. It's a modern, it's computerized Japan. Are you like a Mars for all other countries? Yes, you are. It's nice Asian country. It's a country of unity, solidarity, hospitality. It's a country of creativity, imagination, and the newest inventions. It's a country where technology and history merit. It is Japan. So, if you like it, you can write your comments. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Write in your comments. If you like it, press like, and subscribe to my channel. And see you soon on my channel, because with this very short story, I'm just starting new series of my stories, how I've been in Japan, how I lived, and about my impressions and my ideas about Japan. So follow to my channel. I will tell you more stories about Japan, especially about the nature in Japan, and about animals, insects, and many more interesting observations. So, see you on my channel. Good luck. Bye-bye. And best greetings from Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. My name is Viktor Fursov. Don't forget about it. My channel is Viktor Fursov. Subscribe to it. Bye-bye.